hey guys, this is how I look at the end of the day. Dirt.
We're very dirty.
And we
Very
paid for
dirty.
this. We actually
Sweaty.
we paid to come here to dig in dirt. And believe me, that's just what we did. Right.
At least it's old dirt. I'm in the 8th century dirt. Just saying.
I'm not sure what dirt we're in. I think we're still in junk. People just throw junk away from other digs, so that's what we're cleaning up right now. But we're having a blast. People are working so hard, and we're enjoying the process of finding something special, and we're still looking for it. Our teeth are white.
I know, it's the only thing white on us.
That's
Yeah, I can
pretty
see them.
good.
Hey, we're looking
Not
good.
bad. Anyway, God bless you guys for praying for us. And again, here we are from Tel Gezer at the end of day 3.
Day 3.
Yes.
Dr. Barkai's speaking
Coming
with us
tonight.
tonight. We're
Yeah.
going to go pick him up after the show.
After the show.
See you later.